Three men were killed in an alleged exchange of fire with Karnataka Forest Department personnel in Chamarajanagar, triggering protest in Chamarajanagar and Mysuru. Tension was reported in Hannur on August 16th, a day after the incident in the Shagya range of the Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. Family members and villagers blocked the road to Malay Mahadeshwara Hills and demanded action against the forest personnel involved in the shooting. The incident took place early on August 15th. Forest officials said their team had acted on information about suspected poaching and encountered four men in the forest. According to the forest department, the suspected poachers opened fire first. Villagers, however, disputed this account. They alleged that the use of force was excessive and said the men should not have been killed even if they had entered the forest for hunting. Protesters claimed that the men were shot in the neck instead of being incapacitated. The protesters demanded that the forest personnel involved in the firing be brought to the spot and questioned. Visuals showed clashes and pushing between protesters and police amid heavy security. The protest was later withdrawn after Hannur MLA M.R. Manjunath met the families and announced 15 lakh compensation. Meanwhile, Hannur police have registered an FIR against forest officials under Section 103, Part 1 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which deals with punishment for murder. The FIR followed a complaint by the wife of one of the deceased. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister C. Joseph Vijay also condemned the killings, identifying the three deceased as Tamils from villages in the Hannur Taluk. He called the Forest Department's explanation unacceptable and demanded an impartial investigation, a high-level probe committee, and appropriate punishment for those responsible. He also urged the Karnataka government to support the victims' families and take steps to prevent such incidents in the future.
Protests were also held in Mysuru where police moved to disperse demonstrators. The situation was later brought under control. A magistrate inquiry is underway. Kollegala Subdivision Assistant Commissioner Dinesh Kumar Meena said the inquiry should be based on official reports and urged people to wait for the findings. A Mysuru-based activist has also approached the Karnataka State Human Rights Commission seeking an inquiry. Meanwhile, BJP leader R. Ashoka questioned why Forest Minister Ramalinga Reddy had not visited the site. Ashoka alleged that the minister was uninterested in the department.